Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Wow, my people. Dancehall skilla there again. Big up, respect, manners to each and everyone. Yeah, I have some things I want to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Alright? Now, first things first, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a piece of paper with the words traffic and ticket on that same piece of paper. Now in the video you can hear a certain amount of persons talking about that same piece of paper in the viewers and subscribers. Now I don't want to explain everything about the video. I want you to take a look at the video for yourself and tell me what you think. Because I think some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might learn something from this video. Observe.
No, police take up a bicycle for you, one of them bicycle. Take up a next man and my bicycle. So many see ticket. Let's go tearing for you, man. You idiot. No. Jack, have a ticket for you. Jack, have a ticket. Jack, have a ticket. Bicycle. My friend just get a ticket for a bicycle. I say back to man. Let me see where I get it. Police on the see ticket here. Bro, one way, bro. Yeah. What up? So one way here, man. One way. So D-I-S So D-I-S man, bicycle man. How much? Bicycle. $3,000. That's a more than what are we buy $3,000? See $3,000 man, see that man, shame on your mind. Mama got punish down. Mama got punish down. Mama got punish down. What? How did there? In 1927. Why you good, Jack? You're enforcement to get
Yeah, my people, the more you live, the more you learn. Yeah, the more you live, the more you learn. That's why I'm the kind of person, if I don't know something, I rather ask questions. You see me I say? Yeah, man, and believe me, I never find myself in a situation where I ride bicycle and certain things happen. You see me I say? So, when it comes down to some things that a certain amount of person said in that video, I gotta ask certain questions. I tell you the truth. But anyways, my people, I move on to another video and then move on to another topic and so forth. Alright, you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a female, and I want to listen carefully to the things that the female said in this video and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that she said. Observe for yourself.
I am here to make a statement. You think it is right? I am talking to the Prime Minister. You think it is right? Look at the rain outside. Look what is happening outside. And the Prime Minister, I never tell him when I minister, the Minister of Education, say he must announce that there is no school. The parents them send out them children, waste lunch money, waste bus fare, who are drive, waste gas. This is not right, and put the children them life in risk. Because them put a go out there and one of them wash where something go wrong, accident, whatever. What kind of country is this? What is that meaning? This no look right, Andrew. Our Prime Minister, this no look good for the children them. This supposed to be children supposed to be one of your first priority because they are the future.
Number
but
one.
They don't look like them are the future.
Yeah.
Them look like them are the past.
Number one.
I don't believe we are going to Jamaica, yeah. This have to fix. No sir, where is Mark? Him not have nothing to say. This have to fix, man. No sir. Me want parents talk up on this one. This no look good. This no look good at all. This man him have to carry my child going to the rain because me not sure if school I keep or not. Nobody have nothing to say. Principal don't know. Nobody don't know. This country don't have no government. Hey.
Yeah, me understand our concerns, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, me understand our concerns, and she make some valid points too as well to viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, man. Please share this video and help bring an awareness. Yeah, please share this video, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, and I want to say this to each and every parents out there. Stay up to date with news reports and weather reports. See? Yeah, it's good to know because certain things can happen out there. And you go send your child to school not realizing that certain things are going on. You see what I say? And as for the things that the female said in the video, yeah, I think it is important for the government of Jamaica to make certain public announcements when it comes down to certain things, like when a storm then near or hurricane or whatsoever are going to be a problem to Jamaica or to a community in Jamaica. See? Yeah, but you can let me know what you think about the things that she said in that video, viewers and subscribers. And I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw a video on social media that shows a person who some people on social media call Derrick Morgan. Now, in the video that I saw, Derrick Morgan used words that made me assume that he talked about a person who many people on social media call Peanut Dread. Now, there are a few reasons why I assume that Derrick Morgan talked about Peanut Dread in the video that I saw on social media. Because in the video, Derrick Morgan said Radam, and he also somewhat described the person that he was talking about, and he also said Peanut Man. I'm going to try and say some of the things that Derrick Morgan said in the video that I saw, viewers and subscribers. Now, please bear in mind that the things that I'm about to say might not be exactly word for word as to how he said certain things in the video that I saw. But I'm going to try my best, my people. So in the video, Derrick said, Peanut Man, go wash your whole locks. You see how your locks them big and heavy? Every day you have on the big old locks on your head. Clean up yourself, and stop wear the jacket suit them, the jacket. You know nothing. That part they don't have to say, what wrong with that brother when he said that still? So me ask my people, please bear in mind, you know, these words might not be exact as to how Derrick said certain things in the video that I saw, my people, see? Yeah, but anyways, he went on to say, the jacket suit you have, and you're there on media every minute, change your hairstyle, take off a big old hair off of your head. He also mentioned about a clot on the person's head, viewers and subscribers, and he also went on to say, look about your foot. He also said that the person heel back want to fix and take off a jacket. Everywhere you go, you have on this big old jacket. Peanut Man, go fix your heel back them, go scrub them. You want a pedicure. I'm not even sure if I pronounce it as how I pronounce it, my people, see? Yeah, you know, in a way, I wonder if I announce it. Anyway, so he went on to say, look after yourself. You're there on social media a long time now, and them are run with you. In my point of view, he never said the social media properly, you know, so like he said social media or something like that, you see? In another part of the video, he said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that go and look after yourself. I wonder if you have a woman. The woman not tell you say heel back want fix and you lie down in a bed with a woman. No man, you can't say Radam and you want Radam yourself. Go clean your foot them Peanut Man. And he also said other things as well, viewers and subscribers. So, you know, in another part of the video, he said Radam. So that's why I reached to the assumption, I assume that he was talking about the Peanut Dread, my people. He also said other things as well in the same video. But other real other people say, overall, I wonder what make that person say certain things about the other person. Alright, now the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show inside of what I call a person's resting place. You see me? Yeah, I call what I saw in the video a person's resting place, viewers and subscribers. You know, it's not really a long video, but when I take a look at the video and tell me what I think about the things that you're about to see and some words that persons say in this video as well. Observe.
No man, put bomb back that.
I first we see a bedroom like this, one of a kind bedroom.
Yeah, that is my engineer. The store tomorrow.
Yeah. One of a kind, welcome to Maya. Headquarters.
Zinc for the top.
Look for the man place. Zinc for the top. What
I look out for the engine with 75.
He they look comfortable, Maya.
Only get to look for the motor engine.
He they look comfortable, Jaja.
I'm comfortable too.
Well, my people, you see, that's why when you see a man own certain things in their life, you know, people don't for bad mind them, you know, because they don't know where a person come from, you know. See? You don't know what a person do and then end up having certain things in their life, you know. You understand, my people, because watch you know. You see what the person make right there, so, right? me just assume say that's just a resting place. I don't know about that person's life. You might be surprised to know say there's more to that person than way I look upon the video. You understand? But the point is, some things that people do to survive, and then when they make it in a life, and then you have some people who might want to envy and grudge them. No, don't grudge nobody, not envy nobody for whatsoever them have in a life. Get your one. So we look upon it. I think I have some left it, my people. Yeah, I have some left it. So big up, respect, manners to each and everyone. Until next time, I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.